Hey guys, this is me Ammar and welcome back to our channel Ampnics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to design a buzzer module in KiCad. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so just be patient with me. And all the engineering file is uploaded on GitHub, so you can download all the PCB files from there. Go in File, New Project, okay. Double click in it and I will name this buzzer module. Hit save. Now schematic and PCB files are created. Double click on it. We will fill the basic information in the sheet. Go in file, page setting, issue the date, revision. So this is version 0.1.0. Okay. Title, it is buzzer 3.3 to. After filling the information, just hit OK. Now you can see the information is here. So for adding the component, you can use the shortcut key A, or you can just click here. Now we will search here R for resistor. Double click on it, place it, then again just left click on the sheet. We will search here buzzer. Double click on it, again just left click on the sheet. We will use MBT 222. Okay, double click on it, then again left click. We will use a connector 1 into 3 pin. Double click on it. So for wiring this up, first we will arrange the components. So for rotation, you can use the shortcut key R. Now for wiring it up, you can use the shortcut key W, or you can just go here. We will add some power flags here. So for adding the power flag, we will go here and we will search here 5 volt. Okay, and for below we will need ground. This is going to be our ground, and we will name this net. So for naming this net, we will go here, place net label, and this is going to be our signal, and place it here. Now we already named all the important wires or net labels. So in KiCad, there are 3 steps for designing any PCB. First, design the schematic, then assign the footprint. So now we will assign the footprint, then later on we will design the layout. So for assigning the footprint, you have to double click here. Okay, once you will get into this window, then we will assign the footprint for it. So for buzzer, we will look here for buzzer. Okay, left click on it, right click on it, view selected footprint. Now you can see this is our buzzer, and you can also check out the 3D model of this. All right, so we will double click on it. We need footprint for this connector, so we'll go in connector, pin header, and pitch is going to about 2.54. So yep, we are going to use this one, the horizontal one. Okay, then we have resistor. So for this we will go in resistor SMD, and we are going to select the size, which is 0603. All right, after assigning the footprint, you can save it from here, or you can just directly click here OK. Once you press OK, you will get out of that window. Now you can go for the layout designing. So for opening the layout design, we have to double click here, switch to PCB editor. So once we open the layout editor, we cannot find any component here. So for that reason, we have to import the component from schematic. So we will click here, update PCB, hit close. Now you can see all the component is here. We will design the board outline for it. So the board outline for this module is 83 mm by 13. So first go in edge cut layer, select the edge cut, and from here in grid size select 1 mm and draw rectangle, and it would be 33 by 13 mm. Okay, select the buzzer, and you can use the same R for rotation, and you can zoom in and zoom out with scroll wheel in mouse, and you can also turn off this by closing F5 layer. And we will place these components in the inside the board outline, and I will also decrease the grid size so that I can have the precise control over the devices. We want to swap this ground here and 5V here, so for that reason again we will go in schematic, and what I will do here, I'll just delete this net and this net. I'll select this connector and just mirror it. Now connect it. Control plus S, open the layout editor, just import the settings again. Now you can see ground is here and signal is here, 5V is here, so I'll rotate this. Now component placement is completed. What we will do now, we will create a hole for screw mounting. So for that reason again I will set the grid size 1 mm and I'll go in circle, and I'll create a circle about 1 mm dimension. Alright, now component placement and hole is done. We will go for the layout designing, design the layout. So for designing the layout, first we will select the front copper layer and we will go here, predefined sizes, then we will add our custom size about 0.5 mm. Just hit OK. Now click here, change the dimension 0.5 mm, reduce the grid size. You can also use the shortcut key X. Now layout designing is completed. We will add some silk screen here. So for adding silk screen, we have to select front silk screen, then go in text. We will add here VCC, make it bold, and I will place it here. Alright, now we will align all these three text together, so you can select all of them by pressing shift button on it and just align and distribute. Align to left. Okay, align to left, right click and distribute vertically by center. Okay, now here we will add our name as well. So for that I can write here Ampnics. Now you can see track designing and silk screen is done, so our PCB is completed. In this way you can design the buzzer module. So if I turn on the 3D model, you can see here our buzzer module is looking completely fine. So in this way you can design the buzzer module in KiCad.